led various telecom technologies deployments in India as well as across the globe. In my startup stint, I have been mentoring various startups. So 3 of my mentees have created unicorns, been awarded a Best Mentor Award at NASDAQ, and work with Startup 20 as well as BRICS in various capacities. Pleasure being here.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here again. It's a second session of Advantage Vidarbha Conclave. My name is Harshvardhan Dave. I am a Deputy General Manager working in corporate commercial. I've got over 27 years of experience in the defense field. So just briefly, I would like to tell that we have been working in all sorts of defense areas. We have been in the working for the naval products. We have been working for the ground products. And we have been working for the airborne products. And since a large contingent of Air Force is present here, I am very happy to say that we have supplied CMDS to all the platforms of Air Force aircrafts. So this definitely deserves an applause for Bharat Dynamics Limited and its all vendors. And as has been very clearly outlined by all our dignitaries and senior officers and directors, that the government is going in a very big way to indigenize the components that are being currently outsourced, and it is called foreign substitution indigenization. So in that a Srijan portal is there. If I had time, I would have shown you. So there are around 50,000 components which need to be indigenized, out of which Bharat Dynamics Limited has around 1,200 components. So I've got a slide. If I get time, you can get in touch with me after the seminar. So these 1,200 components to be indigenized are mostly electronic components. And even if some business partners are there, we still want more of them, as has been told by the Major Generals earlier, that we need to increase our surge capacity. If suddenly an order comes and suddenly the geopolitical situation changes, so we are looking for more and more vendors. And as far as MSME is concerned, we are taking a very nominal fee of 200 for registering with us. So please, all the vendors, visit our stall D28 and do register yourself if you are not registered. And one more very important thing, like defense innovative challenge is a disc. So one disc which I just remember I had read a few days back was like most of our fighter aircrafts are prone to bird hits. So this challenge was given by the Air Force. I think it was challenge 213 or something, and I'm sure by this time somebody may have been qualified with very good majority. So like this startup is offering a lot of opportunities for problems which we are not, we will give them. It's a challenge they accept and we can give them the order. So that is in brief, sir, and MSME registration, very streamlined process. So do get back to us and we'll be willing to help you in whatever way we can. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, D.S. Puljali from Khasdar Limited, the well-known company of the India for manufacturing submarine and warships. You have great opportunity to connect with us for supplement of the items, services for defense productions. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I am also representing Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. We are manufacturing destroyers, corvettes, submarines, and we are the only company in India which is manufacturing submarines and destroyers. Last month itself, on 15th of January, there was a historic moment where our Honorable Prime Minister commissioned 3 vessels, 1 destroyer, 1 frigate and 1 submarine at Mumbai at Western Naval Command. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, audience. Myself is Omesh Sinha. I am a Deputy Director level officer from Glidus India Limited. It is, I'm working in fact with the Ordnance Parachute Factory, which is a part of Glidus India Limited. I am proud to say that we are making parachutes for every type of fighter planes do you know. And it is our honor that we are serving Army, Navy and especially Air Force in every manner. There is a special purpose of our presence here that we want to attract some MSMEs and industries, because the basic materials we are using in parachutes are nylons of different types, and also some ferrous, aluminum, copper and various metal alloys. If any party is interested for giving supplies to us, and that will be a part of serving the nation also. Because this is the main difficulty we are facing. I am the procurement manager of my unit.
Sir, can I interrupt? We have a vendors meet after this.
Yes, sir.
We can introduce.
So this is the basic introduction. Thank you very much, and thank you for inviting the participation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, gentlemen. Yeah, we can start. There was a gentleman who had stood up. Sir.
Sir, myself S.S. Deshmukh. I am petrochemical petroleum expert. I have one question. In one of the lectures, it was said that in spite of becoming the importer, we should be an exporter in defense, defense manufacturing and defense components. So one of the requirement for any exports, if you want, is a certification is very important. Quality certification is very important. And in this defense, there are quality certifications AS 9000 and AS 9001. I have a question whether there is any group or any cell is working only on the certification, because certification is required on both at input material as well as the output material, export material. So my question is there any cell working on this in our defense? Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. I have absolutely got your question in the right perspective. I will tell you, the export is being done only to friendly foreign countries, okay? That too after the government of India gives us a clearance. That is one thing. Next thing is, you have asked about AS 9100D. So the highest standard of certification that is being followed in India as of now is that standard. So each and every of your raw material, from right from the input stage to the quality certification stage, it passes through a lot of processes. So in that certification, you need to have a quality manual that is called L1. You need to have quality procedures that is called L2. You need to have a lot of formats for that is called L3. And then L4 is work instructions. So when you are able to have a pyramid of documents like this, and then you have to prepare documents internally, and then you have to subject it to an external auditor. For that also you need to have an internal auditor's training, external auditor training, and there are very few agencies who work on it, especially like NVTQC in Bangalore. There are few agencies, or if it is environmental certification, EMS, Environmental Management System, that is 1400, or if it is an ISMS Security Systems 27000. So if you are certified with all of these, it definitely helps you in becoming an exporter, but definitely it cannot guarantee you export. Another thing is that if you are making an airborne product, then you need to get it certified at some stage by CEMILAC, Center for Military Airworthiness. Till you don't get all those clearances, you will not be onboarding as a vendor, sir. So I hope that I have clarified to the certain extent that you need the clarity.
Hello, respected sirs. Myself, Shishir Upadhyay. I come from Strategy and Defense. So, as you know, there is a new tech that US has built. It's called as Joint All-Domain Command, which is basically integrating all the three wings of defense, also the space division. So they have managed to create a technology using AI and machine learning in such a way that they are able to transfer data at real-time speeds and take decisions because of AI. And we, as a team, have been trying to research on this, and we have been trying to understand that what India is currently doing on this, because US is way ahead, let's say 10 years at least, as what India is currently at. And also, in the age of modern warfare, we also have devices such as drones, kamikaze drones, which can just attack at some place. We don't have to send somebody with a gun and destroy some tank or some buildings. So what have we been doing in terms of these kinds of technologies, and what strides have we made? And also, one last thing, sir, we have been working on DEWs for the last 2 years. I have been associated with IIC Bangalore myself, and we have built an architecture which can help us in this particular case. But We are trying to build a weapon out of it, but it's very difficult on the acquisition of materials and the funds that we need. So if that also is there, so yeah, that's my question, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you for your information. And a question, which you made a mention about what are we doing for getting those drones, kamikaze types, in our nation. Let me just say we are capable of doing that, and we have acquired that. I won't dwell on it and I won't name it because of security reasons, but we are definitely there where it needs to be. And you made a mention about the US having reached places which are way beyond. I'm sure the brains all belong to India. Okay, I think we've had a very invigorating session where we had some eminent speakers to give us the insight and the knowledge for which we required for all of us. And then we had a short question and answer session. I hope you have better people when you go back today. I am definitely one. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The vendors meet is being held in networking lounge post lunch. We would like to continue the further discussions there. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being present here and sharing your valuable insights in today's discussion. Thank you.